I guess in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss how to install medgemma 1.5 version on Windows operating system. So let's open their command prompt, and there I'm going to use first CRS. Now if I write there Ollama version, then you can see 20.7 version that's already is there. So that here Ollama is already installed in my system. So with the help of this Ollama that I'm going to install the medgemma. So here we need to use the command Ollama, then run right there medgemma 1.5. So Ollama run medgemma 1.5. Thereafter press enter. So pulling manifest for this one net should be connected because this will do the download. Here this is not downloading. Total size is 3.3 or GB, and this is downloading with this speed. So this will take some times to complete this download. This here medgemma that successfully download and install there. So this all steps that's completed. Thereafter let's write there hi, simple hi message, and now this you can get there. This is returning this. So this returning there, how can I help you? What? So the next question, what exactly medgemma 1.5? So this is the second question. This is now third, and now this returning there. All returning there. Okay. So this is how we can do the installation of medgemma 1.5 on Windows. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So guys, this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.